So the final games we will do are 6 and 6B. 6 and 6B. 6, moving timer. Copy the game plan. And there's only one thing in the map, just 1D. One thing in the map, that's a little case D. That's it. So let's take a look. This is very similar to our very first game. There are 40 carrots. There are 5 foxes. There's a rabbit. And then you move the rabbit with the arrow keys here. Okay, and then when the rabbit touches a carrot, eats the carrot. When all the carrots are eaten, you win. Okay, it's just like our very first game that we did yesterday. The only 2 new sentences are here. The diamond moves right at the speed, 0.3 pixel per frame. You can also say that the speed of the diamond is 0.3. And then the diamond moves right. Either way is fine. When the diamond touches the right border, game over. So this is a game over condition. Let's execute. So now, as you can see, we have a timer. It's a moving timer. Right? So the position of the diamond tells you how much time you have left. Right? So okay, but if I'm very slow and I'm not able to eat all the carrots before the diamond touches the right border, then the game will be over. And then we can add the sentences describing the interaction between the fox and the rabbit, right, to make the game more fun and more challenging. So you need to avoid the foxes and still try to get all the carrots before the time ends. We will not do that because you can just copy and paste the sentences from game 1 from yesterday. Change the speed of the diamond so that it will suit your, however much time you would like your game to have. Right? If you wanted the game to last 2 minutes, 120 seconds, then you can compute that, because the speed, the game is like a movie, right? Because every frame, it erases the canvas and then draws everything on the canvas. That's how the video game works, right? There are 50 frames per second, 50 frames per second. So if it's moving 0.3 pixels per frame, what it's moving is it's moving 15 pixels per second, 15 pixels per second. Tick, tock, tick, tock. So it's moving 15 pixels per second. Right? So video game is like a movie. You have 50 frames per second. And then the width of our canvas is 600 pixels. So you can calculate what the speed should be. Okay, so that your game can last 2 minutes, 3 minutes, however long you want it to be.